Tyler, turn some good tunes on.
Okay. Hello, this is how you kill Mickey Mouse and his son.
Put your hand here. Put your hand
Go.
here.
Okay.
Put your hand
Get
in
under
here.
here.
Put your hand in here.
Sorry.
Put your hand in here. Mom, put your hand in here.
Okay.
Okay. Another way.
Let me see.
You could just. Oh.
And hurt.
That is so funny.
Ow! Put your finger in
Whoa.
here.
He's gonna buy a way.
Whoa.
Here.
Where's that one game, Tyler?
I'm gonna feel how heavy this is.
Hold on.
Is that heavy?
Yeah.
Well, this is.
This is always a good one?
It doesn't work.
What do you mean?
It doesn't work very good.
Does it need batteries?
No, it doesn't work.
You can also just. Guys, if you have. Just get one on a 100-pound weight. Put it on Mickey Mouse. Okay?
Here's 100